Hi, so today we are going to have a walkthrough to this app called Zapier. So what is Zapier? Zapier in its simplistic description is an app that we can use to automate our work. We'll get to understand why as we go along. So first, let us go to their site, www.zapier.com. Okay, so first we have to create an account. So let's do sign up with Google. Okay, now onboarding Zapier, we have to enter a few details, choose a role. I'll pick other, say restaurant manager. Company size 20 to 49. Receive marketing emails from Zapier, continue. It's loading now. So now we can find list of apps that we can use. Okay, Google Sheets, just check which apps you can use for this. Apps you use when you are working. Mailchimp, Facebook pages, Microsoft Office, WordPress, LinkedIn, Instagram, Dropbox. Okay. I guess that's okay. So let's finish setup. Okay. Now we can create our own workflow. But we also have recommendations here, like save new Gmail attachments to Google Drive, post new WordPress posts to your Facebook page, save new attachments in Gmail to Dropbox. So if you have anything that you're interested in, you can just click try it. Okay, but of course, you can custom set up your Zapier based on your need or your preference. So we will make a Zap. I'm sure that here. So I have to mention that Zapier integrates two apps together. So for example, here, Gmail and Google Drive, WordPress and Facebook page, Gmail and Dropbox. So these two apps now will communicate to make your job easier. Now let's proceed to making a Zap. Okay. So let's name our Zap. Say for example, I want Gmail and Google Sheet. To integrate. So we have to select a trigger and an app event. Trigger, by the way, is an event that starts your Zap. So it's like the initiator. So the app event, on the other hand, starts the Zap when something happens with the specific app that you have selected. So in my case, app event is Gmail. Trigger event is every time I receive an email in a specified mailbox. Zap will start. Okay, let's input my Let's continue. Okay, so we have to sign into Gmail. I'm now trying to connect my Gmail to my Zapier. So they just have these conditions here. Connecting Zapier to my Gmail will allow Zapier to manage drafts and send emails, view and modify but not delete emails. So let's click allow. Okay. It is now linked to my Gmail. Let's click on continue. Okay. Continue. Okay, so we can test trigger. So it says here we'll find a recent email in your Gmail account to confirm that the right account is connected and your trigger is set up correctly. Let's test trigger. So there they found a recent email in my account. Let's just have to press continue. Okay, number 2 is action. An action is an event a Zap performs after it starts. So this is like the app that will have to respond to the trigger. So I'm choosing Google Sheet. Okay. And then what action will Google Sheet do every time Gmail receives an email? So I am going to instruct Google Sheet to create a new row in a specific spreadsheet. Okay, click continue. So let's sign into Google Sheet. I'm now linking my Zapier to my Google Sheet. Okay. This will allow Zapier to see, edit, create, and delete all of your Google Drive files, see, edit, create, and delete your spreadsheets in Google Drive. Okay. Just click allow. Okay, now it's linked already. Let's click continue again. Okay, so from which drive will my spreadsheet be coming from? So it's in my Google Drive, but I have to create a spreadsheet since I don't have one yet. So let's go to Google Drive first and create a spreadsheet for this specific job. New Google Sheets. Say, for example, every time I receive a new email in my Gmail, I want these details summarized here in my spreadsheet. The date of the email, the subject of the email, the name of the sender, and the email address of the sender, and the message. Align left. Let's adjust the column width. Okay, and then let's go back to Zapier setup. By the way, let's save the spreadsheet first. Let's name it Zapier. Okay, so under spreadsheet, we can now choose the file name, which should appear here. So there, Zapier. Okay, and then worksheet. Let's just worksheet 1. Okay, so date, enter text, insert data. Let's click show all options so you can see everything here. Okay, let's choose date. Okay, let's click outside. Subject, enter text or insert data. Then we have to search for the subject here, there. Okay, click outside again. Name of sender. From name. Let's choose it. And then email address of the sender. Show all options. Okay, so here from email. And then the message body group. Okay, and then let's just click continue. Okay, now we can test. Okay. So now we have to turn on Zap. Okay, so you can see now Zap is turned on. Okay, so let's test and continue. Okay, so now you can see here in my Zapier spreadsheet, it has already updated. You can see the date, the subject, the name of sender, email address, and the message. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you in creating your Zapier.